Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making key lime pie. You will need 175 grams of digestive biscuits, 125 grams of butter, 1/2 of a 397-gram tin of condensed milk, 3 limes, 2 eggs, 250 milliliters of double cream, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Cooking method. With a piece of parchment paper that is big enough to fit through tins, fold in half and half again and draw around, in pencil, one of the tin's bottoms. Cut out the circle. Grease through individual pie tins. Place in the circles of parchment paper you cut out. Add 175 grams of digestive biscuits to a food bag. Bash the biscuits with a rolling pin into crumbs. Melt 125 grams of butter. Add the biscuit crumbs to a bowl. Add the melted butter and mix. Add the buttered crumbs to the pie dishes. I compressed the biscuits with a flat-bottomed glass. Place the lined tins in the fridge while you make the filling. Zest 3 limes. With one of the limes, cut through slices. With each slice, cut from the center to the outside once. This is used for decoration later. Juice 2 of the limes. Crack 2 eggs and separate them for the egg yolks. Whisk the egg yolks together. Then add 1/2 of a 397 grams tin of condensed milk and whisk. Add the juice and zest of 2 limes. Then whisk until thoroughly mixed. Add the filling to the biscuit tins. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 160 degrees Celsius fan oven and bake for 12 minutes. Remove from the oven and gently shake to make sure they don't wobble so they are cooked. Allow to cool completely and place in the fridge. Add 250 milliliters of double cream to a mixer and whisk for 10 seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and a splash of vanilla extract. Then whisk together on a medium-high speed until it's at a piping consistency. Then add to a piping bag with a star nozzle. Pipe the cream onto the cooled pies. Take one of the lime slices and bend it and place on top of a pie and sprinkle on some of the remaining lime zest. Only remove from the pie tin when going to serve. Use a small glass to push the base up to release it. Then remove the base from the pie. If needed to store any, place in a container. My key lime pie.